All right, we have a rhombus right here. You might say, Miss Everly, that is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. I agree. It's actually a special type of parallelogram known as a rhombus. And I say that because all the sides are equal. So let's see what happens with the angles. So if I go in here, and hopefully you already tested out what you think the angles are going to be with your other pattern blocks, and you can get your own good estimate, because here I go. I'm starting with the really skinny acute angle right here. And I'm going to get my 0 over on one side of that angle. And I'm going to get this guy back here. Okay, so now I'm going to measure from this side of this acute angle to this side over here. So here I go. 30 degrees. Oh, I'm thinking of the triangle here. The triangle was 60. So that's half of one of the acute angles of the triangle. Half of 60 is 30. 60 divided by 2 equals 30. Cool. Okay, I'm going to go over to this other acute angle and just make sure that it is also 30. Yes, it is. So now let's check those obtuse angles, and hopefully you already figured out your estimate to these guys, because here I go. Oh, it's over 90. It's obtuse. How much over is it? Wow, 150 degrees. Whoa, that makes me think of the hexagon. And then also another little rhombus acute angle here. Let me see if I can get them in there. Oh, I want this guy right here. Oh, look at that. We had 150 plus our little acute 30-degree angle to give us 150 degrees on this rhombus. Does that mean this other one is 150 degrees? Yes, sirree, Bob. Let's see that it actually works. Wow. So if I start at one side of the angle and I measure all the way around to the other side of the angle, 150 degrees. Man, it's getting close to being a straight line. Awesome.